Not this is very, very similar to the Thevenin's theorem, which we have already seen. The only difference is that Thevenin's theorem, it involves the voltage source, and Norton's theorem, it involves the current source. What does it say? That any two terminals of a network can be replaced by an equivalent current source and an equivalent parallel resistance, which means that suppose it's very similar to Thevenin's theorem. I have a voltage source B, it's a resistance R1, it's a resistance R2, resistance R3, okay, and there is a load resistance RL. So what does Norton's theorem say? Norton's theorem says that this can be this from RL, this equivalent part, this can be replaced by a current source IN and the parallel resistance RN, and the RL obviously remains the same. So this part of the network, that is the entire network except the RL, can be replaced by a current source and a parallel resistance. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Right? Now, how to find IN? How to find IN? The first step is similar to Thevenin's theorem. We will remove the resistance, the load resistance across which we need to find it. First step is remove RL. Ritika Majumdar is from your class 2026.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we remove the RL. The step is similar, but the next step is different. For Thevenin's theorem, we are keeping this circuit open. For Norton's equivalent, we will short this circuit. Okay, and we will find this current IN. Is it okay? Is it okay?
Sir, can you repeat?
Sure. First step was remove this RL from the circuit. If we remove this RL, then we will get this. If we remove the RL from this circuit, we will get this. Agreed? Now, for Thevenin's theorem, what we are doing? We are measuring this voltage. We are measuring this voltage and we are calling this VThevenin. Remember, for Thevenin's theorem, here we will not do that. Here we will short these two terminals. Okay. Abhi Roy 2056 from your class.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
We will short these two terminals. Okay. And then the current that is flowing through these shorted terminals, that we will call the Norton equivalent current IN. Okay. This current IN is same as this current IN. Is it okay? Right?
Yes, sir.
Piyush Kumar 2039. I am admit. Okay. So how to find it now? How to find the current? How to find this IN? We first need to find this I1. How to find I1?
So we can apply mesh analysis.
Yes, you can. But there is a easier way, I think. R2,
Sir, you can do.
yeah, KVL, yes, KVL also, but still maybe an easier way.
Sir, nodal.
Sir, we can do the series combination of R2 and.
Answers you are giving is wrong. None of the answers you are giving is wrong. You can definitely use nodal method, you can use KVL, you can use KCL. All of them are correct. I am not saying that your answers given are wrong, but I am looking for the probably the most efficient answer. Okay, all the methods are correct.
Sir,
Superposition.
How can you use superposition? Read this. One, tell me. You have only one source.
The
Yes, sir, there
equivalent
is
resistance, Ohm's law.
yes, sir. R2 and R3 are in series, means parallel.
Yes.
Then R1 and
I1 would be V R1 plus R2 by R3. All agree? All of you agree?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
yes,
I
sir.
got I1. How to find IN now? How to find IN? I got I1.
Current division rule.
Yes. Absolutely. Okay. So I can find out IN. Next is finding RN. The method of finding R Norton and R Thevenin are exactly the same. Exactly same. There is absolutely no difference. What is that? What was that method? How to find RTH? I will remove this RL first.
Sir, we will short circuit the voltage source,
And yes, that is right. And
and if there is any current source, then we will open circuit them.
absolutely very good. So we'll short circuit the voltage source and open circuit the current source, and that is exactly the same way of finding R. Okay, there is no difference. So what would be RN? Bindu Nondi 2045 from your class.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So clearly RN would be R1 parallel R2 plus R3. All of you agree?
Yes, sir.
So this will be not only one second, this is my IN. This will be my RN. And this will be the load resistance. Okay. Right. This is try a problem. Ovirup Ghosh 2038. Your class? Ovirup Ghosh.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
He's from our class.
Sir, can you once repeat from step 4 after finding the Norton's current?
After finding Norton circuit, this is the equivalent circuit. After finding Norton's current, okay. You have to find Norton's required resistance. The method of finding Norton equivalent resistance is exactly same as finding the Thevenin's equivalent resistance. There is absolutely no difference. Okay. The method used for finding RTH, the same method you can use for RN. And once you have both IN and RN, just simply put them like this. Okay. This is my Norton equivalent. Now we can put RN and then use the current division rule. Then IN will be RN IN by RN plus RN. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Let me solve a problem that will be clear. You need to find the current IL through this 10 ohms. Okay, using Norton's theorem. That's the problem. Okay. So what will be the first step? What will be the first step?
Remove 10 ohm resistor.
Yes, very good. Remove 10 ohm resistance. Okay, second step.
So we'll replace the voltage source with short circuit and current source with open circuit.
No, we will not do that. We are finding IN, not RN. What is the second step? And if we were finding RN, then yes, then we would have done that. Replace the voltage sources by short circuit and current source. But we are not yet finding RN, we are finding IN first.
Find R equivalent.
What would this,
Find I Norton.
how to find I naught? I am finding, I want to find IN. Okay. So how to find IN? What is the first thing I should do?
Sir, here there is multiple source, so we can use superposition. That will be a shortcut.
Yes, you can use superposition clearly. I agree with you. But what is the first step?
सब 4 एम्पियर एक बार एक को रखेंगे और एक को शॉर्ट सर्किट करेंगे.
वो बाद में आता है, बाद में होता है. Your answer is correct.
सर 4 एम्पियर करंट
और जो what you
सर 4 एम्पियर करंट सोर्स को वोल्टेज सोर्स में भी तो कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं.
कर सकते हैं, लेकिन वो फर्स्ट स्टेप नहीं होगा. फर्स्ट स्टेप क्या होगा? What is the first step? Ashish Raj 2015. You have our class?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
First step is short.
सर 4 एम्पियर करंट को ओपन सर्किट में कन्वर्ट करेंगे.
उसके बाद पहला स्टेप होगा कि ये दो टर्मिनल को शॉर्ट करके मुझे आईएन ये दिखाना है. उसके बाद तुम सुपरपोजिशन थ्योरम लगाओ, कन्वर्ट करो, जो मर्जी में करो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. लेटर फर्स्ट थिंग इज दैट वी शुड शॉर्ट दिस टू and mark my IN. Okay. After that, you can use superposition theorem and no problem whatsoever. You can use source conversion and no problem with that. Okay. Got the point? सबसे पहले हमको ये दो को शॉर्ट करके इसका IN दिखाना है. Okay. यही बिकॉज मुझे निकालना तो यही चीज है ना. You should short this terminal.
सर नहीं समझ आया.
नॉर्टन्स थ्योरम में क्या करें?
सर
IN निकाल.
शॉर्ट क्यों किया वो?
हाँ कैसे? प्लीज बताओ.
सर वो शॉर्ट क्यों किया वो नहीं समझ आया.
मुझे इस शॉर्ट सर्किट करंट को निकालना है, वही करंट मेरा आईएन है. ये जो नॉर्टन्स थ्योरम मैडम दे रहे हैं ना यहाँ पर आईएन आरएन, तो ये जो आईएन का वैल्यू है, दिस आईएन वैल्यू इज सेम एज दिस करंट फ्लोइंग थ्रू दिस शॉर्ट.
वो जो रजिस्टर के लिए निकाल रहे हैं उसके अकॉर्डिंग
अच्छा
10 ओम का निकाल रहे हैं तो वो ब्रांच.
No problem. We go back. The first example हम लोग देखे थे वही था. R1, R2, R3 और ये है RN. सवाल था IN. Find IN using Norton's theorem. So first step क्या था? What was the first step? What we did? Step 1.
Remove RL.
Remove RL. Absolutely correct. Remove हो गया. उसके बाद क्या करें?
Calculate IN.
Calculate what?
So means total current.
Okay, now I have to find IN. Okay, ठीक है. Find IN. Second step, find IN. How to do it? How to find IN? What is IN? Before Before we find IN, we need to know what is IN. What is IN in this circuit?
So total current, the current flowing through the voltage source V.
No, that is not IN.
So current flowing through the R2
No, वो भी नहीं है. What is IN?
RL या
Sir, current flowing through the R3 resistor.
In this circuit, yes. In this circuit, that is correct. But in general,
In general, that will be the short circuit current of RL.
exactly. If we connect these two open terminals with a short circuit, then IN would be the current flowing through this short circuit. That is why I told her that for this particular circuit, yes, IN would be the current flowing through R3, but for general case, it will not be true. Is it okay? This is my IN. This is what we need to see,
सर
not this IN.
जिस रजिस्टर को निकालेंगे उसके करस्पॉन्डिंग शॉर्ट करेंगे और
Exactly.
फाइंड करेंगे आईएन.
शॉर्ट करके IN फाइंड करना है, ठीक है?
यस सर.
ठीक है, तो IN फाइंड करेंगे. ठीक है, अब तो कैसे करना है वो तो दिखाए थे. Step 3 is find RN, and that is same as find RTH. जैसे RTH फाइंड किए थे वैसे ही RN को फाइंड कर सकते, एकदम सेम. ठीक है, बेसिक स्टेप्स. ठीक है,
Yes, sir.
ओके. अब यहाँ पर आओ, यहाँ पर बताओ क्या करना है. ये दोनों को शॉर्ट करना है क्योंकि ये मेरा RL है.
यस सर.
इन दोनों को शॉर्ट करना है करके ये मेरा IN है. How to find IN now? Now you can use superposition theorem. Now you can use source conversion. You can use whatever you want. I have no problem.
Sir, source conversion will be easier if we convert the voltage source to current source.
100% कर सकते हो. Let us do that. Superposition theorem is also 100% correct method. जो लोग superposition theorem बोल रहे हो वो भी कर सकते हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. ऐसा होगा, ऐसा होगा. अब क्या करें?
केवीएल से दो इक्वेशन आएंगे.
KVL लगा सकते हैं, सही है. मान लेते कि ये I1 है, मान लेते कि I2 है, तो फिर IN इक्वल टू I1 प्लस I2 एज पर KCL. अब I1 I2 निकालना है, कैसे निकलेगा? 2 minus 1 into I1, that is 0, implies I1 equal to 2 amps. ठीक है, ठीक है.
यस सर.
ये लेफ्ट वाला में होगा ग्रुप में, राइट वाला में क्या होगा? 60 minus 15 I2 minus 5 I2, that is 0. I2 would be 3 amps. Therefore, IN would be 2 plus 3, that is 5 amps. Agreed?
यस सर.
Okay, all of you?
Yes, sir.
How to find RN?
इक्विवेलेंट सर्किट बना के.
कैसे बनेगा?
सर सारे वोल्टेज सोर्स को शॉर्ट सर्किट और करंट सोर्स को ओपन सर्किट में कन्वर्ट करके.
ठीक है, वो बात सही है. First of all, I will remove this RL. ठीक, अब जैसे तुम बताए वोल्टेज सोर्स को शॉर्ट करना है, करंट सोर्स को ओपन करना है। I am jumping one step. ठीक है, ठीक है। तो Rn कितना आएगा, 1 पैरेलल 20 कितना है देखो,
2/3.
2/3। That is 20/21 कितना आ रहा है, 20/21 देखो।
यस सर 20/21.
Sorry, I thought that 2.
Oh, it's okay. जीरो 0.95। तो मेरा नॉर्टन इक्विवेलेंट सर्किट हुआ ये 5 amps, (0.95 ohms). ओके, और उसके बाद ये मेरा नॉर्टन इक्विवेलेंट सर्किट इतना हुआ, दिस इज माय नॉर्टन इक्विवेलेंट सर्किट। हाउ टू फाइंड नाउ IL, put RL back, RL was 10 ohms, so IL would be 5 into 0.95 by 10.95, that is 0.43 amps। ओके, बताओ प्रॉब्लम है कुछ, जीरो के। बताओ, एनी प्रॉब्लम एनीवेयर?
No,
सर
sir.
आपके स्क्रीन पे लिखने के 5 सेकंड बाद आ रहा है वो।
और ये नेट का प्रॉब्लम है।
Yes, sir.
आई एग्री, बट दैट इज नेट प्रॉब्लम, आई कैन नॉट हेल्प इट। मैं फिजिकल क्लास तो सही है ना, फिजिकल क्लास का ये सब जो भी चीज बता रहे हो, डिटेट ये कंप्यूटर, फिर ये जो पैड टाइपिंग, ये तो उसका सब्स्टिट्यूट थोड़ा ही होता है। It would have been much more interesting if I got a real class with all of you physically.
सर गूगल मीट सही है इससे।
गूगल मीट, देखो गूगल मीट में हम क्लास ले सकते हैं, मुझे परेशानी नहीं है। रादर गूगल मीट हम प्रेफर करते हैं, इजी वजह है उसमें ये 40 मिनट्स का झमेला नहीं रहता है, लेकिन गूगल मीट में रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं होगा, ये डिसएडवांटेज है कि गूगल मीट में मुझे इतना समझ में आया कि जो फ्री एडिशन है उसमें रिकॉर्ड नहीं होता है, और पैसा दे पेड एडिशन है उसमें रिकॉर्ड।
सर ये रिकॉर्डिंग कहाँ से करते हैं?
ये जूम है ना, जूम में है, जूम में तुम कर सकते हो, फ्री एडिशन में भी कर सकते हो, लेकिन जूम का फ्री एडिशन 40 मिनट्स लिमिट है, उसके बाद तुमको फिर से स्टार्ट करना होगा।
सर ऑफलाइन वीडियो मिल जाएगा?
हाँ, तुम YouTube में अपलोड नहीं करते, शेयर करते तुमसे सबके, जो भी हम बेसिकली के क्लास लिए सबका रिकॉर्डिंग तुमको सब कुछ YouTube पे दिया हुआ है। गूगल क्लासरूम में चले जाओ, वहां पे सब लिंक दिया हुआ है।
Thank you, sir.
At any time you want to listen to this class, you are welcome. Go to YouTube and listen. Any time, how many times you want? 5 बार, 10 बार, 15 बार, no problem. YouTube पे डिफाइन करो, फास्ट फॉरवर्ड करो, तुम्हारा मर्जी. Okay? Any questions?
No, sir.
Okay, so next one. Okay, 6 minutes 37. After 6 minutes and 30 seconds, this class will be over. This session will go not class. The class will continue in the same way. Okay. Second problem. First step क्या है?
Remove RL.
remove
The
10 ohm, 10 ohm, 10 ohm.
resistor.
Second step.
Short circuit through RL.
This will be my IN. Now. We can use, I don't know, mesh analysis maybe. This is I1. This is I2. 20. 2 I1 plus I2 plus 5 I1, that would be 0. So 2 I1 plus 7 I2, that is 20. First loop, this one, okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Second loop, 12 minus 8 I2 minus 2 I1 plus I2, that is 0. So 2 I1 plus 10 I2, that is 12. Or I1 plus 5 I2, that is 6. So 2 equations, 2 unknown, I can solve. 2 equations and 2 unknowns, I can solve.
Yes.
I am getting I1 equal to 2.67 amps and I2 equal to 0.67 amps. Can you check? Can you check? 16.
Sir, I2 is minus 2.67.
Depends on how you have taken the current.
sir.
Minus 2.67. How have you taken the loop like this or some other way? It can be minus 2.67 depending on how you have taken the loop. Check. Have you taken the loop in the same way? If yes, then have to check. If you have taken it the other way, then it's fine, no problem. Both our solutions are correct. Have you taken the I1 loop in?
No, sir, I have taken the other way.
Okay, then it is perfectly understandable. Then it's fine. You will get the answer in minus. No problem. All of you are getting this plus or minus depending on how you have taken the loop. Now carefully say what would be IL. Be very careful and say what will be IL. I am showing the circuit again for your convenience. What would be IL? Tell very carefully.
So can we apply superposition theorem in this?
Yes,
Sir, IN will be I2.
I1 will be I2. Have you taken the I2 loop in the same way I have taken or different way?
No, sir, the same.